Scotty,
Good morning, everybody.
what are we doing on the 81 Imperial?
Yes. But we're trying to get everything set and ready to go. And I was hoping that I could just kind of stretch it a little bit and retape or reglue it. No, it shrank way too much. So.
You hate it when that happens.
Right?
Shrinkage, damn it.
So, we've got our first piece ready to go.
Oh my.
I've got to go get
some nicer scissors.
sewing shears.
Yes, we want to be very.
I need to be able to do very specific cuts. I can't use a razor blade, stuff like that, because you take the chance of nicking the fabric.
Yeah,
and we
please.
cannot have that. So I've got to lay this out on the new fabric, trace with chalk my new piece, and you always add a little bit, like a 1/4 inch at most, because we already know that there's shrinkage. So, and I mean, this is
a lot of talk about shrinkage around here.
Yeah, right? So
Let's
we'll
rub it a
get
little.
this all taken care of and start our first tentative piece. And then I'll get that wrapped, get it glued, let it sit. And I've already got my tape ready so that once we get it on and glued, we can glue it on the back side.
Tape it.
I've got to clean all of that yet to get all the old glue off.
Oh God.
Yeah, it's not an easy thing to do, but it's okay. I mean, we know what we're
It's a
doing.
time eater, but you
that's
know
all
what?
it is. That's the thing. It's a
You
time.
want it right?
Yep.
Stuff takes time.
And this guy is amazing to deal with. He's just a wonderful client. He understands what's going on, and the reason why this is going on is because this was Lee Iacocca's personal car. Yeah, like legitimately. You know, the man was involved with Chrysler, with the Mustang. I mean, so much. So he wants to keep the importance of it proper, and I commend him for it because it's not an easy job to do. But on that note, we'll get our pattern set, cut, get this one piece glued. Then I'll peel the other one, get that taken care of, and we'll start getting everything hopefully back together. Knock on wood.
That's not
We'll
wood.
have the passenger side back late tomorrow. Have it back in the car and in place. I'm not making any guarantees because it all depends on how all of this goes.
Time.
Yep, that's all it is. But on that note, I wish everybody an amazing day.